Welcome back to the channel. Today I'd like to give a tour of my French garden. I've been working on this for a couple of years here and there. I want to show you what I've got done. Stay tuned and I'll do that right now. So I started the border last fall and I'll try to plug some video in here. Basically what I did is I mowed the grass really short. I put some fiber paper down and I put composted manure on top of it. Working on planting tulips and some arborvitaes in this new border bed, which I'm referring to as the French garden. Just thought I would share my French garden. I'm still working on it. It's early October. It's a very warm day. It's almost 80 degrees, which is unheard of. I'm in Zone 4 outside of Minneapolis. I threw some cosmos, different varieties of cosmos in here to give me a little snap of color while I wait for these arborvitaes to take off. Isn't this beautiful? Look at that color. This is a picote variety, or picote. As I go along the border here, you can see all the different cosmos types. Here's another one. It's just a little bit different. It has a little bit more of a white, and it's really, really gorgeous. During the spring, I have this border is full of tulips, and I'll try to put some video in here so you can see just how wonderful it looks. And it blooms pretty much for the whole month of May. I'm probably going to put a line of juniper in here. I don't know which color I'm going to do. I'm thinking maybe skyrocket, and then maybe I'll put a row of boxwood in front of them here. And then in between those, I think I might put some hydrangeas just to bring some other colors. Again, this is a French-inspired garden. I plan on adding a parterre garden of some kind going around this fountain that I have. My goal is that I would walk in through the arbor here, that the emerald arborvitaes would be tall all the way so you can't see past them. You would come in and this Hicks Yew would be a wall, which I would cut a window in to give a sneak peek of the fountain on the other side. And then I plan on lining, I think, the whole inside with Hicks Yew to create a border that way. No French garden is complete without lavender, and so I planted this lavender in a circle garden in the center of the French garden. And it also has a really nice fountain that I got. This fountain is a cheaper one than I got. It's only plastic. And eventually I'll replace it with a concrete one. But I wanted to try and get the effect to see how it looked. I think it looks really good. What do you think? It is a beautiful sunny day, and this variety of lavender is called Super Blue. It's the first time I've grown it. It is technically only hardy to -20, and I'm a little bit colder than that. This is a Zone 5 plant. I am in Zone 4, but I thought I would give it a try. It flowers all summer long. I think I might want to add it more in the future as well. It is what a great specimen for this fountain and for the pollinators. If this video is helpful, give us a thumbs up so YouTube knows to share this content with others. Also consider subscribing so you don't miss any of our other great videos. Thanks for stopping by. Have a great day.